Mulanga eri abantu b'e Bunyoro ku gavumenti ya Katumba saagala kulabayo muzungu asima mafuta ng'Abanyoro tulinamu abaana abasoma oil and gas engineering. Temukiraba tusasula omusolo tujja kwegulira ebyuma twesimira amafuta ate tetugenda twala crude oil twagala tutwale agali refined. Waliwo ngambye nti tebalina masomero n'enteesaawo tubafunire zi university tubazimbire university tulabe nga bava kweno level. Manje afande ndinze kabana.
Mr. President, continue address.
This is somebody's business. This is a petrol station. You cannot bring your campaigns at a petrol station.
When we went to the
I'm addressing these people.
Please.
Kati ntwala gy'oyagala tugende.
You've been the jet.
Ate mu motoka yange ntwala gy'oyagala ngende address people from there.
This is a petrol station.
Buli wamu mutugoba.
You cannot bring your campaigns at somebody's petrol station.
My campaign, did you hear Katumba Oye anywhere?
What I called him early enough. Where is your organized venue? And he doesn't know where his organized venue is. Now when he reached, he ran to the market. You cannot take a campaign in a market. Then after there, he told us you are going to do what? To fuel the petrol, to fuel our vehicles. You see what he's doing? Instead of fueling the petrol station, he's assembling pigs. We cannot allow that to happen. That's what we are doing.
We are thinking nange tulekerawo okuswaza eggwanga li Uganda. Bwe mumanya nti akalulu mwali temusobola kategeka akali fair and free nga mwekubidde side emu mutugambe ekyo nakyo tumanye. Kubanga ffe tukooyo kiraba tukooyo nze siri musajja criticizing. I see a problem and find a solution. Ndaba ekizibu nenfunirawo solution yakyo. Kati oba n'abasirikale akasente mubawa katono mubawa akasente akawerako kubanga